So the way I usually present this is to have people reflect on having purchased a new car, if anyone ever has done that. Or if you know someone who did purchase a new car. As the car was being driven off the lot, it lost value. It depreciated. It lost value. When we appreciate, whatever it is gains value. Just by the very fact that we have acknowledged it. Sometimes we don't even have to say thank you. Just like these flowers, just acknowledging them and smiling adds value to the presence of those flowers. It adds value to the act of kindness and generosity of the person who put them here for us. And I could go on, but it is it's like dropping a pebble in the water. It expands and expands and expands and expands. And you really don't know where the outermost reaches of that ripple will touch. It's the same with appreciation. When we, even to smile at somebody, because what they've done has brought joy to us, the ripples go out and out and out and out and out, and we do not know where the farthermost ripples will touch. That's amazing. Something so simple as a smile.